3, 2, 1.
On what famous London street does famous detective Sherlock Holmes live? The answer is D. Baker Street. By the end of the movie, Raiders of the Lost Ark, which character does not survive? The answer is A. Bella. What is the name of the homosexual painting brother of Claire and Gloria in the movie Wedding Crashers? The answer is B. Todd. Which term refers to a prose fiction work that is longer than a short story, but shorter than a novel? The answer is D. A novella. Which language uses the Javanese script? The answer is B. Korean. A water wave that occurs in an ocean is an example of which type of wave? The answer is C. Transverse. What country has the most number of volcanoes? The answer is A. Indonesia. Who won the 1962 Little League World Series? The answer is A. San Jose Ca. Which vegetable contains a high amount of vitamin C? The answer is C. Brussels sprouts. I am a cousin of the horse. I run fast and have stripes on my fur. What am I? The answer is A. Zebra. Which leader founded the North Korean regime in 1948? The answer is B. Kim Il-sung. What kitchen appliance cooks food quickly using hot air? The answer is C. Air fryer. Which source of electricity would harm the environment the least? The answer is A. Solar power. Metabolism produces waste energy in the form of heat, which helps what type of animal conserve and maintain heat at a relatively constant body temperature? The answer is D. Warm-blooded endotherm. What is the name of the constellation that features Orion's belt? The answer is A. Orion. What is the main goal of macroeconomics? The answer is D. Full employment. What do you call chemical reactions that take place inside living things? The answer is C. Biochemical reactions. What are often formed biologically during the breakdown of proteins in animal cells, having the smell of death and decay? The answer is A. Amines. A student hears on the radio that the outside temperature is 32 degrees C. What type of weather will the student most likely expect when she steps outside? The answer is C. Hot, sunny summer weather. What did my true love give to me on the 8th day of Christmas? The answer is D, 8 maids a-milking. Which country has the largest GDP as of 2021? The answer is B, China. Today people visit Colorado to go skiing, hiking, mountain biking, and to enjoy the scenery. But 100 years ago, tourists more often went to the mountains to do what? The answer is B, soak in hot springs. Solids can be divided into amorphous solids and which other group? The answer is A, crystalline solids. Which kitchen tool is used for kneading dough? The answer is B, dough hook. What animal is depicted on the official state seal of the state of Indiana? The answer is D, buffalo. A class measures the time it takes for two different trucks to drive across the parking lot. How can they tell which truck is faster? The answer is B, the truck that takes less time is faster. Who is the Japanese Shinto god of the sea, storms, and fishing? The answer is A, Susanoo. The rate of the accumulation of neutral what serves as a type of population-based biological clock. The answer is B, polymorphisms. Invented by whom is the World Wide Web? The answer is C, Tim Berners-Lee. What is the first practical airplane called? The answer is A, Wright Flyer. What famous character leaves his family in Gascony and travels to Paris, encountering Milady de Winter on the way? The answer is D, D'Artagnan. Which type of electromagnetic radiation has the shortest wavelength? The answer is A, gamma rays. Who broke the record for most tattoos on a body? The answer is D, Amandine Chainot. What is the name of the project concerning genetics that is one of the landmark scientific events of the last 50 years? The answer is B, Human Genome Project. In what century did the great Greek philosopher Socrates live? The answer is C, 5th century BC. How many of the AFI Top 10 American movies were created by foreign-born directors? The answer is B, 4. What is the capital city of Nation by Terry Pratchett? The answer is A, Ankh-Morpork. What does a colander strain? The answer is D, soup. What was the name of the country club in the hilarious 80s movie Caddyshack? The answer is D. Bushwood Country Club. What is the chemical formula for deuterium oxide? The answer is A. D2O. What is the longest river in the world by volume of water discharge? The answer is A. Amazon. What is made up of the pinna, ear canal, and eardrum? The answer is C. The outer ear. What is the main ingredient in insulin? The answer is C. Protein. Which ancient Greek philosopher is known for his theory of forms? The answer is B. Plato. Which ancient civilization had a written language called cuneiform? The answer is D. Sumerian. Who wrote the longest book in the world? The answer is C. George R.R. Martin. How many types of glands does the dermis contain? The answer is C. 2. Who is the philosopher known as the father of Western philosophy? The answer is C. Socrates. Glaciers doing what has a negative impact on the glacial environment? The answer is A. Liquefying. What's flat, often has legs, and used for rest?